Hey everyone, so here's my review of these double-sided markers. As you can see, they come secured in this protective pouch. I like how it has a built-in zipper, so in case they ever fall, the markers won't spill everywhere. And inside, they're organized neatly, so it's easy to find the marker you're looking for. They're also numbered and named. So for instance, this one here is number 122, and it's fluorescent orange. And this one here is number 4, and it's vivid red. And it has two sides over here. So this is the broad tip and the fine tip. So the broad tip is like a highlighter. So it has that wide coloring. So I'll show you how it looks. And then the fine tip is like a smaller marker. So these are great for coloring books, especially adult coloring books, how they have those smaller coloring spaces. I definitely recommend these markers. I've been using them for a while and I'm very satisfied with the quality. They last quite a while. And they don't really bleed through if you don't hold on the paper too long. So hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.